Today we are doing PRP, that stands for platelet-rich plasma. The plasma has a lot of growth factors that is known to give the hair full, thick, and dense hair. So right now I'm going to draw the blood. So right now we're re-injecting back the plasma into the scalp where we see a lot of hair thinning. Any pain? Good. So today you might see some swelling, which you can put some ice packs on your forehead just to reduce it. And also you can't go to the gym, no alcohol, no smoking for the next 24 hours. If you do feel pain later on the day, you can take some Tylenol. Just don't take any Advil or aspirin, that'll cause your blood to thin. Do some on your crown. I'm just gonna sit you up a little bit. Okay, sit up for me a little bit. So we see that he also has some thinning in the crown, so we're gonna re-inject some plasma there as well. And that's it. You can lay back down and we're finished. So with this quick and easy procedure, this will give you a long-term effect that'll give you a full, dense, and thick hair.